Hey, do you guys see that? Remember I had the video about the Empress yesterday? That railroad train, steam-powered engine? Well, here it is. It is actually in operation, and unfortunately, I am not sure how much more that we are going to get to see, but I will admit this is just one of the most impressive things I've seen recently, and that's a guy who owns a bunch of World War II airplanes, believe it or not. It's a pretty nice view. His airfield is around here. He's a farmer. And I'm gonna see if I can catch that at the intersection.